All right, so I've been getting a lot of a lot of people have been asking me about my beginnings in Gano Excel and how did I start. Usually I tell them that the way I got started is very interesting. I lived in a city in Colombia called Bucaramanga. I remember that when I was first taken to the city or taken to the office of Gano Excel in Bucaramanga, it was a house of 2 stories. It was a 2-story house, but it was a small house. And my cousin, who's my sponsor, my upline, he takes me to the office, and he's telling me this huge business. This business is going to change our lives. And I remember watching this house, and I'm like, anything is bigger than this. Of course, I was taken back, not in a pleasant way, but I was kind of like, okay, well, yeah, anything is bigger than this. And I remember that when we first started the business, I always do the comparison of the office as a ghost town. In those old westerns where there's like a stack of hay, like a boss of hay, and that it rolls across the screen. That's what it felt like when we first started this business in Bucaramanga. And I remember that, when we first started, I just remember that I would listen to him present the business. And the first thing that I remember was a lot of the friends that started this business were his friends from the university. I remember when Jefferson Cruz, a good friend of ours, began the business. He's one of the friends from the university. Andrea Ardila, Julian Franco, these people began to come to the business, but because they were friends. They didn't know how to do this business. They didn't understand network marketing, but they knew that it was great to do a project together. And I think many times that's what stops us from doing this business the right way, is that we're trying to perfect it. We're trying to learn how to do this, and then once we learn how to do it, then we'll begin. And that's not how it works. It works just going for it, just not even thinking about it. I remember the first person that I closed in Gano Excel, the way I did it was I grabbed them by the shirt, no lie. I grabbed them by the shirt and I shook him. And I told him, dude, I don't know how to do this, but I know that with this, I'm gonna make it big in life. And he was taken back, and I shook his shirt, and he's like, all right, let's do it. Sometimes just having that passion is what really determines you from being successful in this business. So when a lot of people ask me, what are your beginnings like in Gano Excel? I tell them frankly and very honestly, I didn't know how to do this, but I knew that I had to do this. Many times I think that's what you need to do. You need to understand that you don't know how to do this, but that's not important. What is important is that you do it, and that you do it with a lot of passion. And remember, the crutches are just in your mind.